Hey guys, so this is my top bar beehive. As you can see, these guys are active. They just came out a day or two ago. And now because they came out so early, so it was a really warm winter, they came out a little bit early and there's no flowers out yet. So what I'm doing, I'm feeding them sugar water. Basically all you do for this, get a plastic container and poke some holes in the bottom of the lid. And the water, you just put water on the stove, heat it up to a boil, and start mixing as much sugar in it as you can. As soon as it stops dissolving, then you can stop mixing it in. So you get that, let it cool, poke holes in top, and flip it upside down in a container. Put sticks in there so they could land and drink, and let them go. This, I mean, you don't really have to do this. I just do it because there's no flowers out yet. I figured I'd give them a little something to get their hive going. Plus I'm going to be splitting this hive soon. So it's a good way to get some extra energy in when there's no flowers. So as you can see, they really enjoy it. I would not feed them sugar water unless there's no flowers. So only feed them in early spring or late fall. I wouldn't do it in the summer just because it's making them lazy, because now they're not out foraging. So just do it when there's no flowers. This is a good way to build up their strength real quick. Now as far as placement of the sugar water, when I put them out, because I usually only feed them in the springtime, I just put it right on top of the hive. But you have to be careful about wasps and other animals, like there's a fly here on, because this sugar water, it attracts a lot of pests. So you're attracting all these wasps to the hive, and then they could find the entrance and get in and attack the hive. Not saying that the wasp is going to kill the hive, but any sort of intruders is weakening the hive. So just to keep the hive strong, if there's wasps present, feed them away from the hive just to be safe. Now, like I said, this is early spring. There's no insects around really except black flies. So I don't have a problem. That's why I'm feeding them right on top. But if I was to be feeding them in the summer, I'd probably put it at the end of the garden over there. Somewhere close enough that the bees can find it, but far enough that the pests aren't going right into the hive. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer them.